Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Lodha Haven, which is located in Chudasandra on Hosa Road in Bangalore. And this project is developed by Lodha. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities with the internal and external, both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan. Then come the current construction status with the position of the project. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office just behind me and the land parcel is itself over here. Now, let's discuss what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So this project is constructed on total 9.2 lush acres with total 6 towers having ground plus 19 floors with 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3.5 BHK Lux and 4.5 BHK Lux premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is located on Silver County Road and Hosa Road in Chudasandra in Bangalore. You can reach HSR in just 5 minutes from the project, Eco Space and Eco World in 15 minutes. Kudlugate is 8 minutes away and Wipro Kudetti is just 10 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project is unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with vitrified tiles, SS sink with CCTV firefighting system and many more. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you 60 plus world class amenities like of 25,000 square feet of clubhouse with fully equipped gym, swimming pool, central garden, landscape garden, tree house, Saint-Amand services with valet car parking and many more.
This project is one type of car parking, and that is multi-level car parking.
Now let's have a look at the master plan. This is the master plan of Lodha Haven. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 6 towers.
Constructed on total 9.2 lush acres.
Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. This is the typical floor plan of Tower C, having 4 flats per floor, 3 lifts, 2 staircases, and here all the flats are of 3 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 3,600 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 2,250 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1,829 square feet super built up area.
Now the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So the construction work have been started and is in progress. Now let me tell you about the possession part. So the rate of possession of this project is December 2030. But Lodha is well known for the before time service and the delivery. So Lodha is providing you the delivery of the project by December 2028. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is Lodha Haven, which is located on Hosa Road in Chudasandra, Bangalore, a project by Lodha.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.